Good manners essay. Good manners do not come naturally, they have to be learned. If children were not told and shown how to behave politely, they would grow up rough and rude like savages. Good manners are not the same in all countries, for different nations have different customs. For example, in England, it is a mark of respect to take one's hat off in a church or in another person's house, or when we meet people we know in the street. But in India, it is polite to keep the hat on and rude to take it off. In England, it would be considered rude if a host asked his guests to go at the end of a visit. But in India, at any rate, among old-fashioned people, the guests would think it rude to leave until their host gave them permission to do so. But these are small matters. The proverb says, when you are in Rome, do as the Romans do. And a polite person in a foreign country will always try to behave in a way that will not offend the people of that country. However, different good manners may be in different places. The principle of good manners is always the same everywhere. It is consideration for the feeling of others. Good manners are the mark of a gentleman, and a real gentleman always tries to consider other people's feeling. He will not say things that will hurt them. He will not speak in a rude way to offend them. He will not do things when he is with them that he knows they do not like. So good manners are really a form of unselfishness. No one can have really good manners who is selfish and conceited, and who always wants his own way and seeks his own comfort. He may be outwardly polite, but he will not have the spirit of good manners. Good manners are necessary for success in life. Rough, rude, selfish, and vain people are always disliked and can never be popular. A rude businessman or shopkeeper soon loses his customers. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.